Navigating the dating world with a significant age difference can be, well, tricky. While there's plenty of charm and experience, there are certain pitfalls you might unknowingly be tumbling into. So, whether you're currently dating a younger woman or considering the possibility, it's important to be aware of these common mistakes that can send her running in the opposite direction. But don't stress. I'm here to guide you on the right path. Ready to level up your dating game and avoid these pitfalls? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets. Being technologically challenged. It's the digital age, and technology plays a significant role in everyone's life, especially the younger generation. While nobody expects you to be a tech guru, showing a complete lack of understanding or even a disdain for current technologies can make you appear disconnected from her world. Embrace technology. Ask her to show you that new app or gadget. Not only will it keep you updated, but it's also a fun way to bond and understand her world better. Dressing inappropriately. Fashion can be a tricky area. Leaning too much into current youthful trends can seem inauthentic, while being entirely anchored in styles of the past can draw attention to the age difference. The trick? Dress in a way that's age-appropriate but also current. Take inspiration from those who've aged gracefully in the public eye. The goal is to look confident and comfortable, no matter the decade of your attire. Constantly talking about age. Often, older men fall into the trap of repeatedly highlighting the age gap. They might jest about their old age in contrast to her youth, which can grow tiresome quickly. The age difference might be what initially caught her interest, but it's your shared experiences and mutual respect that will truly keep her engaged. Remember, it's not the years between you, but the memories you create that truly matter. Being overly protective. Another pitfall is overguarding her or underestimating her abilities based on her age. This can make her feel less valued. Trust in her judgments and capabilities. She's managed her life long before you came into the picture. Offer support when she seeks it, but let her stand on her own too. It's about being her partner, not her guardian. Avoiding new experiences. Declining opportunities for new experiences can dampen the energy of the relationship. Just because you've been there, done that, doesn't mean you should close yourself off from new adventures. Embrace the unknown. Every experience feels different when shared with someone new. Whether it's tasting a new dish or exploring a new city, these shared moments will only strengthen your bond. Oversharing past relationships. Every individual you meet desires to feel special, like they are the center of your world at that moment. If you frequently bring up tales of ex-lovers or draw comparisons, she might question whether you're genuinely over them or if she's just a replacement. Remember, it's essential to give your present connection the fresh start it deserves. While it's okay to share bits about your past when asked or when relevant, avoid making them the focal point of your discussions. Overemphasis on financial stability. There's no denying that financial stability is an attractive trait. However, constantly bringing it up or using it as your primary selling point can make her feel more like a business partner than a romantic interest. Younger women are seeking genuine connections based on mutual interests and understanding. While it's okay to be proud of your financial achievements, ensure that they don't overshadow the more profound emotional aspects of your budding relationship. Criticizing modern music and movies. Tastes evolve with time, and while classic tunes and films have their charm, the newer ones hold meaning for her. Deriding them as inferior or dismissing them outright can make her feel undervalued. Instead, strike a balance. Share your favorites from your time, and let her introduce you to the best of today's entertainment. It's a beautiful way of bridging the age gap, understanding each other's worlds, and finding mutual likes and dislikes. Ignoring health and fitness. Staying in shape isn't just about aesthetics. It's about maintaining a lifestyle that speaks volumes about your commitment to yourself and those around you. Younger women, often being in the prime of their health, are typically more active and energetic. If you're ignoring your fitness or health, it can come across as a lack of shared values. Instead, adopting even a simple fitness routine or showing interest in a healthier lifestyle can be a great conversation starter and bonding activity. It sends the message that you value not only your well-being, but the time you spend together and your future. Undervaluing her opinions. Age doesn't necessarily equate to wisdom. Every individual has a unique perspective based on their experiences and upbringing. Dismissing her thoughts or ideas just because she's younger can lead her to feel unappreciated. Instead, listen actively to what she has to say. You might be surprised at the depth and fresh perspectives she brings to the table. Encourage open dialogue and cherish the growth that comes from mutual exchange. Being set in your ways. Having routines can be comforting, but being rigid can stifle the growth of a relationship. It's essential to remain open to new experiences and ways of thinking, especially when dating someone from a different generation. Embrace the adventure and spontaneity she introduces to your life. It's about blending the best of both worlds, your experience and her novelty. Mistaking parenting for partnership. It's natural for you to want to offer guidance and protection, given the age difference. However, it's crucial to remember that she's looking for a partner, not a parent. Treating her as a subordinate can hamper the relationship's growth. Instead, approach situations as equals. Value her autonomy, celebrate her achievements, and support her ambitions just as she does for you. Dismissing her ambitions. Just because she's younger doesn't mean she lacks drive or ambition. Younger generations are passionate about their dreams and often bring a fresh, dynamic approach to achieving them. If you belittle or underestimate her aspirations, she might feel that you don't see her as an equal or that you're out of touch. Instead, be her biggest cheerleader. Ask about her goals, support her endeavors, and offer guidance when asked. Recognize that her dreams are just as valid and significant as anyone else's. Overusing old slang. Language evolves, and while it's natural to use the jargon from your prime, over-relying on outdated slang can inadvertently highlight the age gap. It might also make conversations feel a bit disjointed if she's unfamiliar with the terms. While there's nothing wrong with occasionally reminiscing about the past, it's essential to stay relevant. Instead, be open to learning new expressions or phrases she uses, and maybe teach her some of yours in return. It can be a fun way to bond and bridge generational gaps. Refusing to engage in her interests. Relationships thrive on mutual respect and shared experiences. If she's excited about a new hobby, a trending series, or even a TikTok dance challenge, showing disinterest can come across as dismissive. It sends a message that what's important to her doesn't matter to you. Instead, be curious. Even if it's out of your comfort zone, give it a try, or at the very least, show enthusiasm for her passions. Your genuine interest in her world can make her feel valued and loved. Overthinking physical intimacy. Age does bring about changes in our bodies. It's natural. But over-focusing on physical differences or being too self-conscious can hinder the spontaneous and natural progression of intimacy. She's with you because she's attracted to you, both mentally and physically. Instead of letting insecurities dominate, communicate openly about any concerns. And remember, confidence is alluring. Celebrate the connection you both share, and let the relationship unfold organically. Constant nostalgia. The past has its charms, but constantly living in it can create a divide between you and her present. While sharing memories of the good old days can offer her a glimpse into your world, doing so excessively might make her feel like an outsider in your life. Instead of always looking backward, create new memories with her. Share stories, yes, but also be excited about making new ones together. This way, she'll feel more integrated into all aspects of your life, not just your past. Avoiding her friends. Her friends play a significant role in her life, just as yours do. If you distance yourself from them or show a lack of interest, it might make her feel as though you're not entirely invested in her world. Instead of staying in the background, make an effort to know them. You don't have to become best buddies, but showing genuine interest and understanding their importance to her can deepen your connection and show that you're serious about fitting into her life. Showing jealousy. It's natural to feel protective, but reacting with insecurity or jealousy every time she talks to or interacts with younger men can push her away. Such behavior might make her feel mistrusted and can highlight your age difference in negative ways. Instead of letting jealousy take the wheel, communicate your feelings and trust in her. Remember, she's chosen to be with you. Celebrate that bond and let mutual trust be its foundation. Being pessimistic about the future. The future is a vast expanse filled with possibilities. If you're always apprehensive about what's to come or frequently express a bleak outlook, especially in the context of the ever-evolving world, it can be discouraging for her. She's at a phase where the future holds promise, excitement, and potential. Instead of dampening her spirit with persistent pessimism, embrace the future with a mix of your wisdom and her enthusiasm. Find a balance between caution and optimism, guiding each other through the challenges and joys that lie ahead. Now that you're aware of the pitfalls, let's dive deeper. Discover signs a younger woman is flirting with you, or uncover the traits younger women find attractive. Your support means the world. Kindly leave a thumbs up, share your opinion, and ensure you're subscribed for fresh insights.